So hi everyone, Physicscoach. Here it is Ankit Saraswat. Let's look at this question. In the diagram given below, there are three lenses formed. Consider negligible thickness of each of them as compared to R1 and R2. What is R1 and R2? R1 and R2 are the radius of curvature for upper and lower surfaces of the glass lens. Okay, so this is R1, this is R2. Okay, as per question. The power of the combination. So how many lenses are here? First of all, look at this question carefully. We have one lens. If you look at carefully, one lens is this. In this, what is filled? Water, water. Similarly, we have one more lens like this. Yeah. Glass. This is glass lens. Glass lens. And we have this. What is filled? Water. Clear? Now this is R1. This is R1. Not R1. It's infinity plane now. This is R1. R1. R2. R2. This is in. Clear? Simply like we will add all the powers. So power equivalent will be equivalent power of the combination will be P1 plus P2 plus P3. Simple one. This is one first lens, second lens, third lens. Simply I will add all the powers. Since negligible thickness is given, so one by one we will calculate the power like this. For this lens, consider our object is somewhere here. Light is coming like this. Air to water, 4 by 3. Now apply formula 1 upon F1 is equal to 4 by 3 and 2 by N1, 1 upon R1. R1 is minus infinity minus 1 upon R2. R2 is, this is what? R1. Okay, it's minus R1. So what is F1 upon F1? 1 by 3 R. So P1 is 1 by 3 R. Equation 1. Clear? Next is, this is for first lens. Now next lens is this. Like this. This is R1. This is R2. This is our glass. Object is here. Let's draw one incident ray towards mirror. Just to find like which is minus, which is plus. In the direction of incident ray, consider plus x. Pole is this. Here pole actually it is optical center lens. But I am saying it is pole. Which is horizon. All the distances are measured from the optical center. Now see how much is the power 1 upon F2. Light is going from here to glass. 1 upon R1, that is minus R1 minus minus R2. So it comes out to be P2 will be what? 3 by 2, it is 1 by 2. Multiply, I am writing 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. Here, this is for second lens. The similar way for third lens. This is our third lens. Somewhat like this. This filled here. If you look at carefully here, water. Water is filled. So like this. So we will apply lens maker formula only then. But here also air. This is thin, okay. And we will apply our formula 1 upon F3. Water refracted index is 4 by 3 minus 1 upon R1. This is what? Radius of curvature of this lens is R2. Okay. R1 is actually it's minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay. Clear? I doubt. So power will be what? P3 will be what? Minus 1 upon 3 R. 3. So we will add all the power, equivalent power, P1 plus P2 plus P3. Clear? So P1 comes out to be 1 by 3 R1. Let's put all the values. Similarly, P2 comes out to be how much? Half 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. P3 is 1 upon like this. So LCM we will take, it is 6 R1 R2. P2 is 6. How much? Here it is 1 upon R2. So it will be plus 3R1 minus this 2R1. 2R1 means R1, 3R2. This what? R1. Clear? So 3R1 minus 2R1, that is R1 minus R2 by 6R1 R2. So if you further simplify 1 upon 6, it is 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R. This is our final answer. So while solving this question, always apply the concept. Proper sign convention is very important. So which option is correct? 1 upon 6. What is the answer? Option B, I think. Which option is correct? 1 upon 6. If you take minus, option B is correct. Because our answer is 1 upon 6, 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R2. Take minus common. Minus 1 by 6, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So option B is correct. So this question I can solve within 5 to 10 seconds also. But we have to learn the concept also. Okay. So thank you so much. And this is lens maker formula. Okay. You can apply when there is same on both sides. Lens is thin, virgin is small. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.